So, Adelaide earlier this year, there was the tinny sound. The tinny sound. How do you get that tinny sound? The tinny sound. If how that sound was made, and that sound is made by doing something with the bow, but not putting enough pressure on. Yeah. What? And now what we're trying to do is do the exact same thing, not enough pressure. And so we are trying to make a Ponticello sound, but not a tinny sound. So the key difference in doing this, the absolute key difference is the bow needs to play near the bridge with purpose, on purpose, and level. How you create a tinny sound, if you remember, the tinny sound is created by moving with not enough pressure and moving vertically and horizontally at the same time. That sound right there is absolutely horrid, and we need to not make it. Let's enjoy that sound one more time on the A string. Oh my gosh. Oh, all the hairs. Anyway. Oh, if you're wondering, do my animals mind it? I have literally had my cat come up to me and scratch my leg once and leave. So yes. All right. All right. And so it is you can if your animals. I was doing it once with a student and I was proving like how to make that terrible sound. I really wanted. And my older kitty, Fiona, wasn't having it. 12 years old, walks in, puts her claws, looks at me, puts her claws in, and just like looks at me. And I'm like, what? And she never does that. And she takes him out. She walks out. My puppy was hiding in a place she never is. So I'm like, okay, I guess it I know. Anyway, so true. So, true story. So Ponticello, just to help you with this Ponticello, first get used to playing in this little area right here, just below the end of your rosin area. Yeah, so it's usually like nothing there. Play nice and level as possible. You're gonna have to use your wrist a lot so it doesn't dip down. And last thing I would want to emphasize is to turn the bow as much as possible. Really use the side, the inside and the inside edge of your hair. That makes a huge difference. Just don't run the bow along the side because you're going to hear this. You're going to hear that. So that's my biggest suggestion is to playing the Ponticello style is to have your bow turned one more time, turned using the side, also nice and straight, a lot of bow, but you have to control. That means your elbow and wrist. And if you want to practice these strokes, particularly for the second part, when you're going to low string, da 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 da, do the stroke. Like that, playing with the side. So, okay, that's going to really make this sound nice. On the side. And change your bow. Change. I hope that helps. I hope that helps.